Welcome to Moana Cafe. Dito lang yan sa Sapa, Vietnam. And tara, let's pasok tayo. Hindi kami nag-book sa Klook. Dito na kami on-site. Kami bumili ng ticket which is 95,000 Vietnamese dong. Equivalent yan sa mga 212 to 213 pesos. And may kasama na yung kape. This is their coffee station. Dito ka o-order ng food if you want to. At dahil mabait sila, sinampala nila tayo on how do they make their vanilla coffee. Mas gusto ko yan. 2 types ng coffee yung pamimilian mo, and later, I will taste it at makikita nyo yung difference sa lasa. Pero kayang-kaya ka talagang ipaglaban. Tada! It's done! At eto na yung ating coffee. Excited na tayong tikman. But, before natin tikman, mag-wait muna tayo ng seating doon sa my tree house. Ayan! Tasty wheel! Let's go!
We're at Moana Sapa and we're gonna try their complimentary coffee. We have the milk coffee and the black coffee. Let me first taste the black coffee. Kaya kang ipaglaban. And then the second one, the milk coffee. This is sweeter, but still matapang. But I like this better.
I like him better. Char! Yeah, yan yung iconic nilang puppetry sa Moana Sapa. Diba? Ang ganda. And eto naman yung environment around the tree house and the cafe. Ganyan kadami yung tao. So, you'll be expecting to wait for your turn per station. And we're gifted with the sunlight tong araw na yon. Hindi siya cloudy. How do you go to Moana Sapa? Simple lang. Basta may grab ka, you can go anywhere. I'm gonna show you my top 3 favorite spot dito sa Moana Sapa. Ito, maganda talaga dito sa piano station. Hindi siya working, but it's nice din. Diba? Ang ganda na hindi siya cloudy. Kita yung mountains. Superb! At syempre, ito yung POV na hindi nila nakukuha kasi usually yung front lang yung kinukunan nila. This one was taken dun sa kabilang side, dun sa may butterfly yung cameraman. And then, I am on the other side. Ang ganda, diba? This one is the mini version noong sa Thailand. And ganun din naman yung effect. So, maganda rin naman. Medyo mahaba lang din yung pila dyan. At ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. This one is taken dun sa tree house. But you needed to wait din dun. Maraming time. Medyo mainit. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And definitely, dapat nagutom. Follow me for updates, food trips, and adventures. Gala tayo!